Continuing with the amines, let us now discuss the chemical properties of amines. First action is action of acids. Amines react with acids to produce oxonium salts. C2H5 NH3 positive Cl. This is ethyl N-ethyl ammonium chloride. So they produce ammonium salts, not oxonium, ammonium. Then diethylamine can also react with HCl because it also has lone pair of electron and will give you C2H5 twice NHCl. This is diethyl NN diethyl ammonium chloride. Then tertiary amines, they can also react with HCl due to availability of lone pair and can produce triethyl ammonium chloride. So this is action of acids. When this aniline is treated with same reagent that also reacts aromatic amine, has the lone pair, it will produce anilinium chloride. This is called as anilinium chloride. So when these anilinium chloride or ethylamine chloride, they are treated with NaOH, they will eliminate NaCl and will give back primary amine plus water. Similarly, when it is treated with NaOH, it will eliminate NaCl molecule and will give you aniline. So this is first action of acid. Then we have alkylation. We have already discussed this action. Whenever primary amines treated with alkyl halide, they will produce secondary, tertiary and quaternary salt. So C2H5Cl treated with CH3Cl, C2H5NH2 amine लेना है आपको. So at HCl will be eliminated. We get C2H5 NHCH3. Again bring CH3Cl, loss of HCl in the presence of some base. NaOH डाल सकते हैं आप और base डाल सकते हैं. That will combine to give you water का loss भी हो सकता है. HCl अभी करिए. Product will be C2H5 NCH3 twice. When further treated, it will give you quaternary salt ethyl trimethyl ammonium chloride. This is your end product. Ethyl trimethyl ammonium chloride will be your last product. So this is alkylation. Similarly, it takes place in case of aniline. Aniline when treated with ClCH3 in basic medium, loss of HCl, product will be NHCH3. This is secondary amine. Again treated with CH3Cl, loss of HCl, you get tertiary amine. It is again treated with CH3Cl, lone pair of electron is there, and then we have third reaction, acylation, action of acetyl chloride as well as that of acetic anhydride. Ethylamine treated with acetyl chloride in the presence of some base NaOH, or loss of HCl will take place from here, C2H5 NHCOCH3. This is called as N-ethyl ethanamide. Similarly, if you remove ethyl group from ethylamine, add benzene ring, this is aniline. Treated with same reagent, you will get N-ethyl aniline. No, you will get NHCOCH3. This is N-phenyl ethanamide. N-phenyl ethanamide. तो ये रिएक्शन है. इसी तरह से सिमिलर रिएक्शन कैन बी शोन बाय ट्रीटिंग देम विद एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड. फर्क ये होगा वहां पे एसिटिक एसिड का लॉस होगा. लॉस ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड विल टेक प्लेस एंड प्रोडक्ट विल बी C2H5NHCOCH3. दिस इज N-ethyl ethanamide. तो इस तरह से एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड से भी आप रिएक्शन कर सकते हैं. इथाइल की जगह आप बेंजीन रिंग लगा लेंगे तो यही रिएक्शन होगी. कंडीशन वही है, यही करना आपने, सब कुछ वही निकलेगा. और यहाँ पे आपके पास इथाइल की जगह NH आ जाएगा, बेंजीन रिंग आ जाएगा. इसको कहेंगे N-phenyl ethanamide. ऊपर लिखा है नाम. So these are very important reaction. 3 important reaction of A: action of acid, action of your alkyl halides and action of acid halides. 3 A वाली हमने A नाम की रिएक्शन जो है फर्स्ट हेडिंग में डिस्कस कर ली. They are very important reaction from examination point of view. Then we have another reactions, other reactions, that is benzoylation. Benzoylation में that is also called as Cotton-Bowman reaction, because in this reaction we treat with benzoyl chloride and we eliminate a molecule of HCl and will get the products, substituted product वहाँ से आपको मिलेगी. Let us see what are those products. So our fourth reaction will be benzoylation. This reaction is also called as Cotton-Bowman reaction. You treat ethylamine with benzoyl chloride. This is our benzoyl chloride in basic conditions. HCl is lost from here. You will get C2H5NHCO. This is N-ethyl benzamide. बेंजामाइड नाम कैसे आया? दिस इज बेंजामाइड बेटा. NH2 CONH2 होता, बेंजामाइड होता. NH2 का एक हाइड्रोजन सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया इथाइल के द्वारा, तो N-ethyl बेंजामाइड प्रोडक्ट बनेगी. Then we have carbylamine reaction. We have discussed this reaction. This is a name reaction, very important reaction. Carbylamine reaction. This is given by only primary amine, not given by secondary and tertiary amine. So this reaction is also used to differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So primary amines can give this reaction. They will give ethyl carbylamine during this reaction and loss of 3 water will take place here. अगर आप इथाइल की जगह लेते हैं बेंजीन रिंग, this is your aniline. Aniline will also show this reaction with chloroform and KOH. Heating will liberate KCl, liberate water, and product will be benzene ring में NC लगाना है. This is called as phenyl carbylamine. So this test is also a distinction test of primary, secondary, and tertiary amine. Then we have another test that is called as Hinsberg test. This is also a distinction test. Primary, secondary, tertiary distinction करना हो तो ये टेस्ट किया जाता है. All the varieties of amines, they are treated first of all with sulfonyl chloride. बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड से उनको ट्रीट करना है. बेंजीन रिंग में SOCl2 लग जाए, SO2Cl लग जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड है बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड. और ये जो है प्रोडक्ट आपको लॉस देगा, HCl का लॉस होगा. यहाँ से एक H निकालना है, 2Cl नहीं होगा, एक H यहाँ से ले रहे हैं, Cl ले रहे हैं, Product will be C2H5 NHSO2 बेंजीन रिंग. अब इस कंपाउंड का नाम है N पे इथाइल है बेटा, N इथाइल बेंजीन सल्फोनामाइड. This compound, when it treated with NaOH, it will produce sodium salt of this compound. C2H5 एक साइड पे कर लीजिए, N के ऊपर अब आपने सोडियम मेटल लगाना है और ये नीचे दिखा देना है. And this is water soluble. So primary amines have produced water soluble sodium salt on treatment with Hinsberg reagent. This is Hinsberg reagent. Then secondary amine when treated with same reagent, they will also eliminate a molecule of HCl and you will get this product C2H5 twice NSO2 and this benzene ring. This is called as N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. इसको आपने ट्रीट करना है सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड से, नो रिएक्शन. It will not produce water soluble salt. और अगर आप यहाँ टर्सरी अमाइंस को लाते हैं तो पहले स्टेप में नो रिएक्शन आपने डालना है बेंजीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराइड, नो रिएक्शन. So this test is also used to differentiate between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Then we have action of nitrous acid, 7th reaction, action of HNO2, C2H5 NH2 प्लस HNO2. HNO2 बनेगा कैसा? रिएक्टिंग वेसल में आपने NaNO2 प्लस HCl डालना है और इसको हीट कर देना है. अब क्या होगा? It will lose a water molecule N2 gas, water molecule and will give you C2H5OH.